Hello and welcome back to the Urban's Kitchen. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to call it Urban's Chicken Pizza Supreme. So basically I've got these garlic and coriander naan breads. These are quite thin. We've got our tomatoes and tomato ketchup for our base. And I'm going to slice up these coloured peppers, onion, mushrooms, mozzarella. I've got some grated Parmesan, I've got chicken and some garlic. So basically what I'm going to do is going to cut up this chicken, crush the garlic, chop it up and fry these two together and then make up the rest for the pizza. So I'll get all this prepared and I'll be right back. So see you soon. Okay, so we'll bring you up to speed. What's going on? We've got chopped onions, chopped peppers, mushrooms. I forgot to say, we've got chopped sliced ham, mozzarella. I've got tomatoes in a bowl of hot water, which I'm just waiting for them. Now I can skin them and not mash them up with a bit of tomato sauce. Got a chicken over here. It's been sliced, cooked down with garlic. And once that's cooked, I'm going to slice that up even finer, and then we'll be ready to put all this goodness together. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back. Get our little naan breads here. These smell really great, by the way. We've got our tomatoes with a bit of tomato sauce put in and a bit of oregano. So this is going to be like our base. We're going to have our chicken. It's been done in garlic. And mushrooms. Our onions. Our ham. Our peppers. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in first, let this cook off a bit, then put some mozzarella on it, and then some Parmesan. So we'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so we're back. Pull these out the oven. Oh, lovely. do, get a nice mozzarella. And we'll put that back in the oven, and we'll bring it back out when it's melted. See you soon. Okay, so we'll pull these out. Ooh, lovely. We'll get a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And we'll get those back in the oven, and we'll bring them back when they're done. See you soon. Okay, so we're back. Let's get these out. Oh, lovely, look at them. So what I do, I'll cut it up a little bit. I'm just going to cut them up and just show you. You can have them with a little bit of salad, but to be honest, these are quite thick, so you wouldn't need much more than this. So we'll see you in a minute on a plate. Okay, so there we have it. This is Urban's Chicken Pizza Supreme. Obviously with chicken, onions, mushrooms, peppers, mozzarella, and Parmesan, oregano, tomatoes, and tomato sauce for the base. And obviously I've got another one here as well, because I made two. I've already had a little snippet of this, and it's really, really tasty. So yeah, for these naan bread bases, it makes an excellent pizza base. So awesome, it's thin enough, and obviously you're getting all of the ingredients and less dough of the base. So awesome stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. See you later guys, take it easy.